afternoon, Mr. DeSimone. Thank you so much for reaching out to me. I hope you got that eye packet on this beautiful 2015 E350 in polar white with a silk beige interior. It's got about 46,000 miles on it. We're going to give you a tour today, so let's come on down the line. And you've got an LED intelligent lighting system here. A lot of nice chrome detailing on the grille. Let's take a look at those rims and tires. Great condition, lots of tread. And just to give you some idea of what is in this vehicle for packages, you've got the lighting package with the adaptive high beam assist. You've got the sports package with the sports body styling and the sports suspension. And then you have the lane tracking package. Next, I want to pop the trunk. Super clean. You've also got the keyless go package. So you've got keyless entry, hands-free on the trunk. Let's take a look at the interior. Let's show you the rear passenger compartment. Upholstery is gorgeous. You can see you've got chargers and environmental controls for the back. Harman Kardon sound system, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, seat controls, multifunction steering wheel. Got a nice command center there, beautiful burlwood dash. And lastly, Mr. DeSimone, let's take you for a spin. You can see you have multi-driving functions, so I can take it from Eco to Sport. There's my nav, my heated seats. I've got a sunshade in the rear, beautiful sunroof, programmable garage door openers, emergency roadside assistance. And let's take this baby for a spin. And Mr. DeSimone, give me a call at 207-229-2739 and let's set up a time for you to come see this beautiful E350 for yourself. And again, I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving and look forward to chatting with you, John. Have a great day.